What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kevin Smiley, and welcome back to Kevlar82 TV, your positive car culture channel. Today we're out in Montclair for the Detail Garage Montclair Rides and Coffee / United Velosters monthly meet, dude. That's right. So this place is actually close to where I stay at out here in Southern California. It's actually like 10 minutes away from my house. So this is a place that I actually shop at, man, and that's where I get my detail products at, dude. So check it out and put their Instagram right here, dude. We're gonna check out my homies over at United Velosters. Haven't seen them in a minute. I've been really busy doing what, you ask? Launching the official Positive Car Culture merch line. The first merch drop for my new brand is live right now. The link will be in the description, and if I can, I'm gonna try to put one of these little pop-up things or whatever so you can click on that. So if you see that pop up, click on it right now and then come back and watch the rest of the video, dude. So show some support for my merch line. This really goes straight forward to supporting the channel and everything like that. And dude, I got so much stuff coming, but we're gonna get to that later. Let's go ahead and jump into it and get started. As you can see, 3 beautiful Genesis coupes behind me. We'll go check them out real quick and see what's cracking. So let's get started. So yeah, we got the little Genesis coupe lineup over here. We got my boy Chiron BK2 Menace right there chatting it up with the homie Art, and that's the gentleman with the gray Genesis coupe. We'll get to that in a minute. This guy started a YouTube channel. But yeah, so we checked this thing out. If you guys haven't seen it before, make sure you give my homie a follow. Everybody knows that he's planning on doing a special motor swap on this bad boy right here. Big plans, big plans. So we're just gonna keep that portion short and go ahead and check out my car, my 2014 Hyundai Genesis Coupe 3.8 Ultimate Genesis Coupe Batmobile, modeled after 1989 Batmobile, Michael Keaton. Yes, sir. So, in order to find out everything that's done in this car, if you're brand new, you're just now checking out this first video, first make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, of course, and then there's actually going to be a playlist in the description of all the mods done in this car. So yeah, we're going to keep it short on that one because I always blab about my own car too much in the video. So yeah, you guys got to just keep watching the channel, subscribe if you want to see more content. And then we got my boy Art right here that actually lives close to me down the street. I actually met this gentleman just randomly one day driving down the street, waved him down, pulled over. We had a 20-30 minute conversation about each other's cars and friendship. That's how it works, dude. Yeah, so check out his channel. We'll put it down below. Well, I'm gonna show you something. So check out his channel. I'm gonna put a little thumbnail, Ultimate Art. He's getting started. I'm giving some tips and tricks. I'm getting everything started with that. So this truck's about to back in. I like that. That's nice. Get that truck in space. Nice and loud. There we go. Let them park. And then we got Dominique over here. I'm gonna be nosy and see what she's doing. Now I'm not gonna expose all her numbers, whatever she's calculating, man. You know what I mean?
Appreciate that.
How you doing, girl? Good to see you.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm gonna let her do her thing, but check out her 350. Things is nice. I love this thing. Actually, it's always fun spotting people. I was leaving work one day and I seen this front bumper in my rear view, and she was right there. It's funny to always spot people, you know, out and about. And so we're just gonna walk around and check out everybody, and then we're gonna walk up in the detail garage in a minute and show you their ultimate awesome service and what they have to offer. So cool Jeep. I like the colors on that. We got everything over here. Check out this Chevy right here. I think that's is this a Cruise? Sheesh, looking nice, man. There's a daily family mobile over here, bagged out. Let's see what kind of car. Is this yours?
Yeah.
What kind of car is it?
It's a Chevy Cruise.
Cruise. I was making sure. I just said it was a Cruise, but I hate to say the wrong thing and be like, that's not what it is. People always get at me like, oh, that's not what it is. But this is nice, man. Family mobile.
Oh,
is this a daily or just?
Yeah, it's a daily.
See, I mean, you guys, this is crazy. If you have a family, you still can have a nice car, right? Yeah. So all you guys out there trying to sell your cars because you got a family, yeah, man, you can have a nice daily like this, dude. 4-door. Check them out. and quiet. Let you guys check out the car's carbon fiber. I like the setup on this, man. Sheesh. I like that. Here we go. We got the whole WRX crew over here. Nice, fellas.
Thanks.
Like it. It showed up in numbers. I like to see that. Check it out. Y'all comment down below y'all favorite car. You know what to do. And it's a true JDM right here. The Datsun. I'm not sure. That's a crazy looking like wrap or whatever, dude. Wow. We're gonna check out the United Velosters over here. You guys know this one. Veloster Rally. Another one of the homies. This guy's always showing up to all the shows. You might have seen him pop up in a lot of different videos, dude. This guy's everywhere. I like to see it though, man. Awesome. Supports the channel and showing love to him, you know. Oh yeah. Back to this. So yeah, Team Burr, awesome, good friend. Love to see him whenever he's out and about. Oh, we got Scout, man. You guys have not seen him in the videos in a while. He's been, well, I've been MIA in some of this stuff too, so they're always doing their thing. But I've been busy as heck. And we got this guy right here. He's always doing work on this thing, man, little by little. Homie JT. Oh, we got some lights in the front. You guys remember seeing this truck in other videos. It's been a minute. He's been busy. I've been busy. But yeah, there you go. Follow the page. You know what to do. And then one day, this fool will be back in his Veloster. One day.
Someday.
This guy's back and forth. Huh? September? You got goals, man?
Yep, September.
There you go, man. I'm holding you to that. You guys heard that, right? So in September, we're going to be doing a big returning welcome home for his Veloster, right?
I'll be in San Diego.
Yeah.
Spocom.
Oh, there we go. Jeez.
It was rats, okay.
So here you guys go. So as you can see, they're pretty much supplied up. So there you go. Bam, they got everything up in here, dude. And I'm gonna tell you something, man. The service over here is A1. You just ask one of these gentlemen for any help, or you walk up in here, you're not knowing what you're looking for or whatnot. Like, cause I came up in here and I'm like, I know what I want, but I don't know where it's at. So they actually walked me through and said, what do you want? And I was like, well, I'm looking for a foam cannon. But you know, instead of the pressure washer system, it's a foam cannon that I actually saw online somewhere. And a gentleman actually went and got that foam cannon. Is this the one you're looking for? Bam, cool. What kind of soap do you need? Okay, well, you have all different types of soaps, and they give you the details on which one is good for whatever you're looking for, you know. And this is the one that I chose. I bought one of these bad boys, and that's the one I use for my Torque foam cannon. So this one right here. Bam. So he handed me one of these. It was right there. Bam. Or actually focus. There we go. And then we chose this one right here. Awesome. And then we talked about wheels, and I was like, well, I need something to clean my wheels with. He said, you use one of these brushes, right? I'm gonna put that back down and focus. So he grabbed me one of these brushes, basically to get in all the crevices and everything like that when you're going to clean your wheels correctly. Because I know you guys have like those big brushes. Those are cool, but when it comes to like the minute details and the small little crevices when cleaning your wheels, detail brush works. This is another alternative version, but you don't need that one. You just get one of these. This right here, same thing like it says on the brush, dude, all in the details. You can use this when cleaning, let me say, like plastics, whatnot, and other things like that. Interior, exterior, those brushes work pretty good. And then let me show you the wheel cleaner I got. Excuse me, sir. Let's see if it's over here. This is the one I chose. So this is the one I ended up getting. I actually ran out, so I think I'm gonna get some more. I'm gonna make my decision in a second, people. But yeah, so you guys have so many different types and brands and everything like that. So yeah, if you guys are not sure what to get and how to shop here, just ask one of these gentlemen to work here and they'll take care of you, dude. So yeah, let's go ahead and go back outside and see what else pulled up. So yeah, came back outside and this Cadillac, wow. I like the setup on that. Look at that. Looking good, man. Hey, y'all, my homie showed up, Marcus, dude. Check this out, dude. Man, I still owe this dude a feature. He's been a friend of mine for years now. I already know that rag top. He's on bags, not hydros. Hey, what's up, dog? He said, I don't want to be on camera. What's up, man? I saw you a mile away. I was like, hey, the homie's here. What's up, man? Looking good. Oh, you gotta turn the gas.
Spot, relax for a minute. Have my golf.
Oh, okay. All right. Look at that. I gotta show him off real quick. The crazy thing is he's actually bagged out. A lot of people use hydros or whatever, but he's bagged out. I think it's nuts, man. Definitely owe this man a feature, man. Killing him, man. Hey, you showing off, man. You just showing off right now, you know what I mean? You had to come through. Yeah, sir. So yeah, show some love to my boy Marcus right here, man. This thing is done to the T. Man, y'all need to comment down below if y'all want to see this on the channel. Hey, what's up, man? Do your thing. This interior is woo-wee. It's my dog Marcus right here, man. We've been cool for a couple years now. I'm gonna put him on the channel. Shoo-wee. So y'all check out the setup. God dang. I like the way the glass opens in the rear. Get that fresh air. Got leather interior. But yeah. God dang. Look at that, dude. You're on the wrong side of the car, sir. True JDM R32, man. Jesus Christ. Oh, man. So yeah, check out the R32 real quick. I like the headlights. Slightly tinted. There's Instagram right there. Got the Nismos. Oh my goodness. Oh, I like that setup. That black on black. He took my idea. If I were to get an R32, it'd be all blacked out, which it's just a thing I have for black cars. But yeah, that thing is nice, man. Real nice, man. Oh yeah, over here off to the side, we got the perfect SX. Homies over here. See who came through. They got their flags. I know you guys seen some of these cars in some of the other videos. Oh, we got a little piece of, a little touch. That looks familiar. Got the similar design on mine. Thinking about taking that off. I don't know, guys. Thinking about changing it. We'll see. But yeah, check them out. But yeah, there you go. A couple Teslas over here. Check out the color on this one. Try to make sure it's focused so you guys can see it very clearly. I'm loving this color, the way it pops. Man. But yeah, it's a crazy wrap. Speaking of wraps, I gotta wrap the video up pretty soon because I'm going to Wrap Legacy. That's not a wrap. Going to Wrap Legacy to chill my homies and get some work done on the Genesis Coupe. No, we're not wrapping the car, unfortunately. Sorry, people. But we will be working on some things to improve. We're gonna get the taillights fixed and buff out that ugly, nasty looking wing or whatever. So small touches, details, getting the car just, you know, spruced up and looking a little bit better. Yeah. So, yep. All right, you guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I gotta take off. I'm gonna head over to Wrap Legacy, get some TLC work done on the Genesis Coupe, talk to them business. There's always something going on. This guy had to screw up the outro. Now truck, man. But yeah, that's one of the homies or whatever. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get up out of here, man. Shout out to Detail Garage Montclair. Thanks for hosting this awesome Rides and Coffee. And yeah, make sure you follow them on Instagram. I'm gonna put it right there. United Velosters. It was good seeing you guys. Make sure you follow them on Instagram. Come down here if you guys need your supplies to keep your car nice and shiny and detailed, of course. And that's gonna be it. Make sure you check out the link in the description for my merch. Check out Positive Core Culture merch line, dude. We have everything from t-shirts, sweaters, hoodies, long sleeves, freaking, we even have water bottles, and dude, man, just check it out. Tote bags, like, we got it all there. So something for everybody. Make sure you support your boy. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the content. Subscribe, notification bell, and that's gonna be it. Just remember, as I say at the end of all my videos, always see the glass half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe, and remember, legends live forever. Rest easy, Dustin Davis. Rest easy, my friend. Peace.